Hey guys, welcome back to the course. So if you remember back when you created your account, there's no real profile picture on Snapchat. You don't get to upload your logo or Snapcode, which kind of sucks. The only way to customize it at this moment, and depending on when you guys are listening to this, is to connect to an app what's called Bitmoji and then create a cartoon kind of avatar for yourself. It doesn't really work that well for brands or businesses since all you can create is a boy or a girl, so you're basically left with a ghost icon in a yellow box. Unfortunately. Well, your Snapcode isn't completely useless, and for people in your audience out there who are on Snapchat and haven't discovered you yet, it actually can be pretty useful. Now, first things first, go into the Snapchat app, click on the icon in the upper left, and you'll find your Snapcode. Click on it and select Save to Camera Roll or Download or whatever option your phone is. It's different based on the operating system you're on. Now, here's one thing you can do with your Snapcode. Add it to any list of social media links you provide on your website, in your emails, or other platforms where you have a presence. If you block as a sidebar, place it in there so people can easily see and scan it with their phone. Another way to use your Snapcode is to make it your Twitter or Facebook profile picture. I actually mentioned this before, but it's a great way to let everybody know for a short period of time, hey, we're on Snapchat. In general, when you do that, Snapchatters will know that they can just take a photo of the code and then I'll add you as a friend. That's the easiest way of finding you versus searching for you, and hopefully they know your handle. You can also feature the Snapcode inside of a larger image on Facebook or Twitter where you promote your Snapchat profile. If you guys have any physical signs, packaging, or other stuff you're producing for people to see in person, well, place the Snapcode someplace where they can easily snap it. Like if you have a physical store, well, putting it in the store window or by your checkout area makes a lot of sense. Spots where people usually have their phones out already. If you're already going to be at an event, well, make sure it's on your signage or make some stickers of it from an online place like Sticker Mule. We actually have a deal for them from Evans Perks. They can make easy freebies to give away and promotional helpers. Just don't put Snapcodes on places that don't make sense, like on vehicles or billboards when people really should not be using their phones, specifically when driving. My favorite actually is when people put it on their packaging. So when you buy something, you get the package and then it has the snap code. So the idea is like, I'll take a photo of the snap code and I'll follow you for promotions in the future. But you know what? Why promote yourself with a boring old snap code when you can actually create a custom one? Now at the moment, you can't really do any customization in the Snapchat app itself, but that doesn't mean you can't create a custom one to use everywhere else. All you have to do is ensure the black dots in the snap code are the same and the code should actually work. So here's how you create a custom snap code. Check this out. Go to snaptageditor.com. Enter your Snapchat username and it'll populate all the little black dots that make up your snap code. Then choose a background color you like instead of that yellow one that everybody has. Everyone sees it, it just blends in. Pick something that matches your logo color. That's generally a good idea. Now here comes the tricky part. You could put a background image in there, but here's my advice. Don't put an image in. Just download the free copy of this from the site with the URL in the middle. Backgrounds just they don't work as well. It's harder to see the code or know that it's a snap code. After that, use a photo editing app like Photoshop, or I constantly use Canva. Canva's a great example. And then just remove the URL yourself. Then, if you want, add a custom image into that. Highlight or select the white middle ghost part, delete it, and then superimpose the custom snapcode image over another picture like your logo, then download this. And then, boom, there you go. You have a custom Snapchat code. Why they made it so hard to do this, I don't know. Just a safety tip here, don't edit those black dots at all. That makes up your code, so your Snapchat code actually works. If you move the dots in any way, it screws it up. Now you can edit anything inside the ghost outline, just don't touch the dots. So now if you want to share your custom snap code in different places, like let's say your Twitter or your Facebook icon, it'll look actually cool and not just look like a blatant advertisement for Snapchat. Well, there you go. Make your snap code visible, use it to promote, and customize it with tools to make it eye-catching. Have fun. See you guys next time.